You think ChatGPT is just for asking questions and writing emails you don't want to write? Well, think again, because many others were able to turn this free AI tool into a six-figure income over the last 12 months. And so can you. So today, we're going to break down 8 mind-blowing ways you can use ChatGPT to make real money in 2024.
It's a secret. 2 of the missing ways. Check out the video. 6 mind-blowing ways ChatGPT can make you rich in 2024, prompts included in the video, and even included, they added their own captions, 8 mind-blowing ways. There's 2 secret ways, and I'm going to give you those 2 secret ways right now. Can you give me 2 more mind-blowing ways ChatGPT can make you rich in 2024? Yes. Here are 2 additional ways you can use ChatGPT to potentially make more money in 2024. AI-powered online courses and coaching, automated social media management. All right. So just like she was having a little bit of fun in her video.
The easiest way to make money with ChatGPT is to make videos talking about how to make money with ChatGPT. Seriously, joke aside.
Obviously, I'm going to have a little bit of fun in my video, but we are going to dive a little deeper into this video, utilizing the transcript of the video and talk about the different ways, the 6 different ways that they're claiming, obviously, that they're not doing it, that they're claiming doing what they said in their video, even though they stated it was a joke. But that's their point. That's their purpose, to make videos like that, to just have a YouTube channel about making money online. So, number 1, here's a summary of the 6 ways to make money using ChatGPT from this video. So I listed the 6 ways. You probably already know if you went through the video, but number 1 is faceless YouTube channel. Starting the faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT to create content. An example prompt: create a 5-minute video on the top 5 most scenic views in the Swiss Alps with engaging script, upbeat background music, and a male voiceover.
Now, you're probably thinking, okay, but you said it's with ChatGPT. Well, here's where it gets really interesting, because ChatGPT used to have a plugin, now has a dedicated GPT for NVIDIA AI, which is an AI video creation tool. And this integration, this GPT, is going to help you generate upload-ready, faceless videos, no matter which niche you're going to pick, whether it's for a history channel or a mystery channel, for educational content, for travel, for meditation. You can create professional quality videos without having any video skills, because NVIDIA AI will do literally everything for you.
It's July 2024 as I make this video, and I'm pretty sure that you've heard of NVIDIA. I'm pretty sure that you've seen and heard people that have used it to get monetized on YouTube, that earned AdSense, that then lose their AdSense account, that then maybe possibly get their AdSense account back. People go back and forth whether or not you can or can't do this. When you're inside YouTube Studio, if you're making these in-video videos and you're uploading them to YouTube, just as you do with any video, what you have to do is you have to check, or you have to say yes or no to this question. Altered content. Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. Alters footage of a real event or place. Generates a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. To follow YouTube's policy, you're required to tell us if your content is altered or synthetic and seems real. This includes realistic sounds or visuals made with other AI tools. Selecting yes as a label to your content. Click here to learn more. And you should go over to YouTube Help, and you should take a look at YouTube policies disclosing use of altered or synthetic content. Read through this policy, understand what the policy is about, what YouTube's going after, why they're doing it, and sort of what's coming for synthetic, altered, or AI content in the future. Take note of that and understand that these things are still going to work somewhat, and I think there's going to be people that use them successfully and use the new tools, the new iterations of AI content or AI video content generators that come out. In video, I've tested it in the past. I have a video here on the channel. I'll link to it in the description. You can check it out. I was pleasantly surprised with the quality of the script as well as the voiceover, but the video, it's not actually generating video. It's just taking images or stock footage and it's putting it together. And really, if you're going to do that, you get into the world of licensing, whether or not you have the license, you purchase the license, whether or not the company that you purchased it from honors that license, arguing with YouTube about that license if somebody else has used that same clip. It gets into this whole thing of, are you really going to get rich doing all that? versus if you wanted to make videos, if you wanted to make a faceless YouTube channel, there's plenty of other ways to go about doing that, to include YouTube automation and outsourcing and all those kinds of things. And yes, you can use ChatGPT, and you should be using ChatGPT, because I use AI and ChatGPT every day to make money online. I'm using ChatGPT right now to make money online, to walk through this video with you, and to say that if you want to make a faceless YouTube channel, in video is probably not the answer for most people. Or let me change that statement. In video is not the easy button that most people are looking for. Will it work? Does it work? Yes, it can. Yes, it will. But it is going to require you to learn the tool and learn the art of video creation, and especially here on YouTube, learn the art of storytelling, learn and understand your niche and what people are looking for, whether they're looking to be entertained or looking to be informed, or a mixture of both, and then work at the craft, work at the art, work at the business of building and creating a faceless YouTube channel and all the things that come with owning that business. All right, enough on faceless YouTube channels. Let's move on to ghostwriting for LinkedIn and Twitter. Offer ghostwriting services for executives and CEOs on LinkedIn and Twitter. Okay, well, what level of CEOs and what level of LinkedIn and Twitter, or what level of executives and CEOs on LinkedIn and Twitter? Are we talking about LinkedIn and Twitter, CEOs and executives, or are we talking about real executives and CTOs of actual businesses? So their example prompt was write a 200-word LinkedIn post for a tech startup, and I'm going to go ahead and copy that. CEO discussing the remote or the future of remote work and its impact on company cultures. Let's pop into a brand new clean version of ChatGPT. I'm going to use ChatGPT 3.5, or let's go ahead and just use the newest and most advanced model. I think everyone now gets access to this in a free account. So let's just see what it says, and let's see what we would need to do to sell this, or think about what we would need to do to sell this to a CEO. The future of remote work is not just a trend, it's a paradigm shift that is reshaping how we think about company culture. As the CEO of a tech startup, I've witnessed firsthand how this evolution can drive both opportunities and challenges. Thumbs down. Come on. This is going to be so generic and so lacking of any soul or company culture. First and foremost, you're going to have to understand that this is going to require massive amounts of research of that CEO and that tech startup's company culture, and you're going to have to get them to buy in to let you do that. It's not just going to be this thing where you just put your ghostwriting service up on LinkedIn or Twitter and say, hey, I'll write your tweets for you, or I'll do all your social media management. And really, that's what it is, right? It gets in that world of the SMMA, social media management agency, and that whole aspect. Otherwise, you're over on LinkedIn, racing to the bottom, selling tweets for $1 a tweet, or $1 a character, or whatever, right? This is not a realistic way of making money, or to the point of their title, getting rich using ChatGPT. It's just laughable. And then the travel concierge, create a detailed 7-day luxury travel itinerary for a young couple visiting Greece, including 5-star hotel recommendations, 5 dining exclusive activities, and transportation details. People that are booking these luxury travel itineraries, especially a young couple, that's going to be taken care of them when they book it. The booking service they're going to use is going to have this built in. You're not going to sell this secondhand. Again, I'm not saying that it's impossible. I'm saying it's most likely not going to happen, especially overnight, and it's definitely not a button that you push. Print on demand, generate cool and unique ideas for t-shirts with trending slogans and detailed artwork. Well, first of all, this prompt is just so generic and so lacking any inspiration whatsoever to generate cool and unique design ideas for t-shirts with trending slogans and detailed artwork. And if you come back to ChatGPT, what you're looking at using DALL-E or DALL-E 3. So you're going to call that GPT, or you're going to use any other AI image generator out there. And you're going to have to understand that you can't just randomly start creating slogans. Code sleep repeat, stay wild moonchild, plant more trees, adventure awaits, good vibes only. What is your store about? What are people coming to your store? How are you getting traffic to your store? How or where are you building the store for all these different slogans that are just random, that you have just randomly selected or let ChatGPT randomly select for you? So whether you're putting it on mugs or t-shirts or phone cases, and then you're setting up and reselling this, or having Printify and Redbubble and Teespring do the actual delivery of the product, the fulfillment, these things work. They all work, but you have to have a purpose. You have to have a focus. You have to have a brand. You have to build a brand. You have to go out. You have to run Facebook ads, or you have to generate a brand and become the face of the brand and generate something on social media that gets people to want to come to your shop and buy these cool slogans that you have come up with that are very focused and detailed. You can't just randomly throw up a website or randomly start posting on social media these random quotes and images that you've created with ChatGPT. It just doesn't work like that. Not anymore. There may have been a small sliver of time in the past where this worked and people were able to jump on it, but now it's gone by the wayside. If you aren't creating something unique and you aren't delivering value and you aren't creating a connection where people want to connect with your slogans and your ideas and your thoughts, or be part of that tribe and show off that merch that you're creating, then this just isn't going to work. Like I said, you could create a few and you could grab some trending topics that I'm sure you see on TikTok or any other of those ridiculous short social media sites where these things pop up and they last for a microsecond, just an instant in time where you can tap into it. But if you're not already set up to grab that trend and then be ready to ride the next trend after that trend after that trend, then this isn't going to work for you. You're going to have to take time to build that business up. And for sure, it's not going to make you rich. And also, Printify, Redbubble, and Teespring, I'm pretty sure that you have to fund that merchandise business up front, meaning you have to pay those companies to get started. So when someone places an order, you have to fund that order up front. And then once that order is delivered, or once they get paid for it and they take their cut, then they give that part back to you, or the revenue that you generated, your profit, right? The amount that you've made from doing all that work gets deposited back into your account. And then that's the money that you've made from that process or that business. There's tons to think about. It's not just, oh, check out this cool prompt, generate cool and unique design ideas for t-shirts with trending slogans and detailed artwork. I mean, you saw me do that right here. It didn't even create the design. It just created the slogan. But I mean, you could come here and you could say, okay, create the image. And then you could say, okay, a futuristic cyberpunk cityscape with neon lights. And then let's see what we get, and if you don't have the paid version of ChatGPT, or if you don't have Midjourney, or if you don't have the paid versions of these AI tools, then you can't even sell these. You don't even have a commercial license to sell these things. And is this something that you can put on a mug? Is this image going to be detailed enough when you print it out on a t-shirt or a mug? Is it going to look good? Is it going to be high quality? All things and questions that are going to come up that you have to answer. Next one, create and selling ebooks. If you take the time to understand what this means and you look at this prompt, create an outline and chapters for an ebook on a specific topic, then generate detailed sections of the book, that is not the way this works. I create and sell ebooks, PDFs, reports, publications. I've actually published different types of books in different genres and different types and categories of books on Amazon KDP, and I used ChatGPT and AI to create them, but I didn't do it in a way where you think you're going to write the next great novel, or you think you're going to create these great professional how-to books or something just by pasting in this lame, boring, dry example prompt. Create an outline and chapters for an ebook on a specific topic and generate detailed sections of the book. It's just not going to work. If you've had any experience to this point with ChatGPT, you know this isn't going to work. You've seen the examples in all of the videos. Now, take some of the examples I've done in my videos, or join one of my workshops and go through the workshop with me where we walk through ideation and we have a clear focus on what the outcome is of the book, meaning what the goal is, and we look at using techniques and tactics for generating unique angles and concepts to put in our book and have a very specific format that we're following to make sure that we're creating a book that actually gets consumed, meaning that people are going to start at the beginning, work their way through the end, because it's going to be exactly what they need in a format that is clear to understand and actually helps them solve a problem, then you're on your way to creating and selling ebooks, but you're going to have to put in the work. And that's the same above everything else that we've done in this video. And the next one is AI Business Optimization Consultant. This might just be the most ridiculous one. Their prompt: automate customer service for a local dry cleaning company using ChatGPT to handle common queries and improve customer satisfaction. Do you know anything about the dry cleaning industry? Do you know what ChatGPT is saying? Is it correct? If you take this to a dry cleaning company and it's not correct, or it's something so generic and basic, they're going to laugh you out of their office. Or if you're doing cold outreach, which is what the next step is going to be, right? You're going to be scraping emails from local dry cleaning companies, or you're going to be doing it internationally because people are telling you, oh, you can search all the dry cleaning companies in New York and Boston and San Francisco and Tokyo. And if you don't speak Japanese, it's okay to use ChatGPT to translate your email into Japanese and just fire it off to them. Everything's going to be peachy keen and you're going to make a fortune. It's total BS. Can ChatGPT help you with all the things that I've said? Yes. Can ChatGPT help you with all the things that they've said? Yes. But you have to learn and understand the tool. You have to learn and understand the industry that you're tapping into. You have to learn and understand the focus required to build a business with any of these topics. Faceless YouTube video channel, ghostwriting for LinkedIn and Twitter, travel concierge, print on demand, creating and selling ebooks, AI business optimization consultant. If you're going to build a business, and all 6 of these are completely different businesses that require complete focus, total focus, for you to go all in and focus on one of those businesses at a time, can you use ChatGPT to help you? 100%. Will ChatGPT make you rich? 100% it will not. Will ChatGPT help you on the way to becoming rich? If you focus, if you stick with it, yes, it is possible. And with that, I'm going to get down off my soapbox for today and let you know that use ChatGPT. Learn how to use AI. Go out and look at the other AI large language models that are out there that are coming out. Look at what they're doing. Look at what they're capable of doing. Focus in on how it can help you once you focus and pick a very specific business model. Once you understand what it is you need to do and what it is you need to learn, and then what it is you need to teach to help other people find success and help yourself find success by actually going out and solving people's real problems, even with the use of AI, solving their real problems is what makes you rich. Or at least it's what starts the ball rolling to make a little bit of money today and adding to that money every day as you move towards getting rich. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.